Have you ever woken up in the morning feeling like your joints are rusted shut? Many of us have experienced a lingering ache in our knees, hips, or hands, disrupting our daily routines. You might find simple tasks like walking to the mailbox or holding a cup of coffee painfully challenging. It's frustrating, worrying, and can leave you feeling isolated. Let's take a moment to meet Margaret, a vibrant woman in her 70s. Margaret used to enjoy tending her garden and dancing at family gatherings, but over the years, her joy has been overshadowed by relentless joint pain. Whether she's taking her daily walk or playing with her grandchildren, the stiffness and discomfort often overshadow those moments that should be filled with laughter and joy. One evening, sitting on her porch, Margaret overheard her neighbor, Linda, excitedly sharing a secret. "I found something that helps my joint pain. It's just 2 ingredients." Margaret listened intently as Linda explained her simple bedtime ritual using just honey and cinnamon. Skeptical but curious, Margaret decided to give it a shot. It was time for a change. Joint pain can become a significant issue as we age. It's essential to understand its nature and the reasons behind it. There are many causes of joint pain, especially as we enter our later years. It might be due to one of the following. Osteoarthritis. The most common form of arthritis, it occurs as the protective cartilage on the ends of your bones wears down over time, leading to pain and stiffness. Rheumatoid arthritis. An autoimmune disorder that occurs when your immune system mistakenly attacks the synovium, the lining of your joints. Injuries or overuse. Previous injuries, even those that happened years ago, might lead to the early onset of pain conditions. The symptoms of joint pain can manifest as stiffness, particularly after sitting for long periods. Swelling in and around your joints, making movement difficult. Warmth or tenderness in the affected area, leading to discomfort during everyday activities. Limited range of motion, where you might struggle to bend or straighten your joints fully. For instance, James, a sprightly 73-year-old, used to enjoy hiking with his friends. But when he started experiencing knee pain, he could no longer keep up. He tried all sorts of medications but found little relief. Hearing about Margaret's success with honey and cinnamon sparked his interest, and soon enough, he decided to give it a try. Understanding the root causes might help you realize that it's never too late to find relief through more natural and holistic approaches, like the one we're sharing today. Let's get into why honey and cinnamon work so well together and how they can help with joint pain. 1. Raw, organic honey. When we say raw honey, we're referring to honey that hasn't been processed, meaning it retains all of its natural beneficial properties. Honey is an incredible source of antioxidants, which fight free radicals that can contribute to inflammation in the body. According to a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, honey can help reduce pain and inflammation, particularly in conditions like arthritis. Honey has been used for centuries in various cultures as a healing remedy. Ancient Egyptians even used honey in their medical practices. 2. Ground cinnamon. This aromatic spice isn't just for warming your oatmeal, it has significant anti-inflammatory properties as well. Cinnamon enhances blood circulation, which can help to deliver nutrients and antibodies to areas suffering from inflammation. According to research in arthritis research therapy, cinnamon may help lower levels of C-reactive protein, CRP, a marker of inflammation in the body. This means that it can actively work to reduce joint pain and improve mobility. So, combining honey with cinnamon isn't just a culinary delight. It creates a potent remedy for managing joint pain effectively. Now that you understand why this remedy works, let's gather what you need to make it. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of raw, organic honey, 1–2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. How to select these ingredients. 1. Choose high-quality honey. Look for honey that's labeled raw and unfiltered. This ensures you're getting all the beneficial properties. Local honey can also support your immune system. 2. Select the right cinnamon. There are different types of cinnamon, but we recommend using Ceylon cinnamon or true cinnamon rather than the more common cassia variety. Ceylon is gentler on the stomach and carries more health benefits. Ready to whip up your remedy? Here's how to prepare it. 1. Mixing the ingredients. Take a small bowl and combine 1 tablespoon of raw honey and 1.2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Use a spoon to mix thoroughly until it forms a smooth paste. If the mixture feels too thick, you can add a couple of drops of warm water to loosen it. If it's too runny, sprinkle in a bit more cinnamon until you reach the desired consistency. 2. Patch test. Before applying it to your distressed joints, do a patch test to check for skin sensitivity. Apply a small amount of the mixture to the inside of your wrist. Wait about 15 minutes. If you notice any irritation or redness, it's best to skip this remedy. Once you've prepared your mixture, it's time to put it to work. 1. Timing is key. Plan to apply this remedy just before bedtime. As you sleep, your body's natural healing processes will allow the mixture to penetrate your skin and impact the underlying tissues. 2. Preparation. Before applying, make sure to wash and dry the affected area thoroughly. This helps maximize the absorption of the remedy. 3. Applying the paste. Take a small amount of the mixture and apply it to the affected joints. Gently massage it into the skin for about 1 to 2 minutes, using soft, circular motions. There's no need to press hard, just allow your fingers to glide. 4. Cover the area. After massaging thoroughly, consider wrapping the area with a cotton cloth or bandage. This isn't necessary, but it can help keep the paste in place overnight and prevent it from getting on your bedding. 5. Leave it on. Let the mixture work its magic while you sleep. The enzymes in honey and anti-inflammatory properties of cinnamon will continue to work as you rest. 6. Morning routine. In the morning, simply wash off the mixture with warm water. Pat your skin dry, and you're good to go. Margaret found that after just a month of consistent use, she could once again lift her gardening tools without a wince and play with her grandkids without the fear of sharp pains. Managing joint pain won't happen overnight, but here's a general timeline of what you can expect when using this remedy. Days 1 to 3. You might initially feel a slight warming sensation in the area where you applied the mixture. This is a good sign. Increased blood flow is essential for reducing pain. Week 1. Many people notice a decrease in stiffness upon waking in the morning. You might even find getting up from a chair is easier than before. Month 1. Regular users report a significant reduction in chronic pain. Some even share stories about being able to return to activities they thought were long gone. Think of Helen, who resumed her gardening. Long-term effects. Continued use of this remedy alongside lifestyle changes like dietary improvements and gentle exercises often leads to sustainable results. As with any remedy, especially natural ones, it's essential to consider safety. While honey and cinnamon are generally safe for most people, there are certain groups who should be cautious. Allergies. If you have known allergies to honey, cinnamon, or bee products, this remedy is not for you. Diabetics. Honey contains natural sugars, so if you have diabetes, monitor your blood sugar levels closely. Consult with a healthcare provider before trying this remedy. Pregnant individuals. It's always best to consult with a doctor or healthcare provider before introducing new remedies during pregnancy. To enhance the effects of this remedy, it's helpful to incorporate certain lifestyle adjustments to support joint health. 1. Hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to help keep your joints lubricated. 2. Gentle exercise. Activities such as walking, swimming, or gentle yoga can improve mobility while strengthening the muscles surrounding your joints. 3. Healthy diet. Focus on an anti-inflammatory diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fats, like olive oil and avocados. Foods high in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon and walnuts, can also help reduce inflammation. 4. Weight management. If you're carrying extra weight, shedding even a small amount can relieve stress on your joints, particularly weight-bearing joints like knees and hips. In conclusion, living with joint pain can often feel isolating, but it doesn't have to consume your life. Margaret, David, and many others have shown that hope is just around the corner. By learning to harness the power of nature through remedies like honey and cinnamon, you can reclaim your health and enhance your quality of life. Ask yourself, isn't it time you took a step toward managing your pain naturally? Perhaps you've tried it all, or maybe this is the first step on your journey to better health. We want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, or questions in the comments below. If you've tried this remedy, what was your experience like? What changes have you noticed in your pain levels? Your feedback could be the encouragement someone else needs to take that first step. If today's video resonated with you and provided value, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends and family who struggle with joint pain. Together, we can build a community of support and healing. Thank you for joining us on Bloom and Nourish. Here's to your health, comfort, and a life filled with movement and joy. Until next time, take care.